Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and make a video really quick on how to create a Facebook business page. So I've been getting lots of questions and I didn't even realize that we didn't have one in our YouTube training channel. So let's go ahead and do one. I already have one, so I'm not going to do it in its entirety, but I'm going to show you the steps and then I'm going to show you what mine looks like. So a Facebook business page is super important to have because it is an avenue to reach audiences outside of your immediate Facebook audience. Every time somebody likes your business page, it tends to show up in that other person's news feed, which is hitting a whole different audience. So not only is it going to drive traffic to your group, it's going to get your name out. You can boost ads, you can pay for ads, you can do all sorts of things to just broaden your audience, which is ultimately our goal, right? So here I am just on my home page. So I'm going to scroll down here and it says pages, etc., friends, groups. You're going to go to pages and you're going to click more. Oh, I'm sorry, you're going to click create a page. And then you have these different options. So local business or place, company, organization, brand or product, et cetera, et cetera. So I tend to choose brand or product. It's not really limited. You could choose a couple different ones of these, but I find this one to be um, a good one. It works well for us. You can also do cause or community, which I heard will get more of an audience, but I'm not really familiar with that one since I've always done this one. So that's what we're going to do. So you click on it, brand or product. So I'm just going to scroll down to clothing, choose that. And then I am going to click brand or product name. And I'm simply going to put Lula Row by Karina and Natasha. And then I'm going to click get started. And I already have a page that name. So let me just take out part of it just so that I can get okay. It's being funny. So let's see if it'll let me do that one. Okay, so it can be a little finicky, as you can see. So this is tell people what your page is about. So it needs to be short and sweet, just a few sentences. I think there's actually a cap on, oh yeah, 155 characters is all you can use. So just something short and sweet that just puts it out there right then and there what you have. So talk about your clothes, talk about LuLaRoe, talk about you. Your website, this is where you would put your Facebook group. Or if you've created a domain name, you can go to GoDaddy.com, create a domain name so that you have this really short and sweet and catchy tagline website. So like for us, it's LuLaRoeSeasters.com, and they can type that in and it takes them straight to our Facebook group to page or to shop. And then here is where you can also put your Facebook group. So I'm just going to, I think I'm going to skip this because I don't want to create anything. And then you're going to do a profile picture. So here you're going to want to do something that's catchy. Ours just has a generic one right now, but if you have a really good picture of you in some LuLaRoe, head to toe LuLaRoe, this is where you would utilize that picture. So you definitely want an eye-catching picture, something bright, something beautiful, something with a nice bright background. Don't take a selfie. Have your husband, your spouse, your best friend, whatever, take it for you. Just something that's going to really grab the attention of somebody. And then skip, I'm going to skip it. And then add to favorites. So always add it to favorites because then it's going to show up when you're on your home screen and you see all these whatever groups or anything over here. That's your favorite. So add it to favorites always so that it's easily accessible. And then here's your page audience. So this is where you're going to be targeting a certain audience. So you could put your location, you could put your zip code, you could put your city, you could put your state, and then your age group. So I tend for LuLaRoe to do 20 to 65, and I click women, but you can pretty much do whatever target audience you want. So interest, you can do like search interest. So like basically if you click on there and click shopping and fashion, clothing, I would click women's clothing. and I would add that. Then you can add another one, like you could do skirt, you could do dresses, you could do shirt. You know, you can click all these different interests. So I suggest adding a few of those. And then language, I don't ever touch that. So I'm just going to click skip again because I already have one. So then here we go. On here, you are going to want to upload a nice bright cover photo. That can be like a LuLaRoe cover photo, something that's going to really explain right when they click on this page, they see you in your profile picture with a bright, beautiful picture of you in the clothing, and then they have a really good explanation of where they are. So one of the biggest things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down here to the About section and add a brief description about your page. Something that is going to explain really quickly, you know, what they can find when they click your page, etc. And then you're going to also go to this button. It says Add a Button. You click on that, and you're going to choose a button action. So basically when they click that, they can choose an action. So contact us, book now, send a message. You're going to want to click shop now. And in that website area, that's where you're going to put your Facebook link. So you're going to paste that right into there, and then you're going to click create. Then when people click this, it's going to say shop now. It's going to take them directly to your Facebook group so that they can shop. So it's a really good way to be bringing in people on a regular basis if you're utilizing your business page. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to write a little welcome here, something sweet about your group and about you, not too long. Use emojis. Emojis draw attraction, and also use a photo if you want to do your profile picture again, if you want to do some other fun photo of you in your LuLaRoe, whatever it may be, add a photo so that now you have something posted in your group, okay? If you want to go in and add some photos beforehand, just some albums, maybe of the styles you carry, whatever you want, you can do that too. I didn't do that, but you are more than welcome. And then you're going to go to this part over here and you're going to click invite friends to like this page. When you do that, your whole friends list is going to pop up here, and you just literally need to go and click every single person that shows up and invite them to like your new page, because when they like it, it's getting put on their news feed. And then you also want to ask your family and friends to share your business page and ask their friends to like it. The more people that like your page, the more of an audience you're hitting, so it's really, really important. Now, that being said, creating this business page is a great thing, but if you are not going to be posting it every day, it's pointless, absolutely pointless, because it's not being utilized. So if you're going to make one and not utilize it, don't even bother. Now, that being said, you should be posting in this every single day. Schedule a post. The awesome thing about the business pages now is right here. I'm going to blah, 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 blah. I'm going to add a picture, and then I'm going to hit this little arrow, this little down arrow, and schedule. And I can schedule this post to blast out at peak Facebook times. So whenever I do mine, I'll schedule it maybe the night before to post at 8 a.m. or I'll schedule it like in the middle of the day to post at 8:30 p.m. So I know that my post is getting out there. I know that my business page is being utilized, and I don't have to worry about forgetting it when I'm in the middle of a pop-up or whatever it might be. So you are going to notice over time that people will start coming into your group, they'll start liking your business page, etc. But you really have to work it in the beginning. You have to share it. You have to post it on your Facebook wall. You should post it in your group, have people like it. Do an incentive surrounded by sharing your business page. So for every person that shares your business page link on their profile, they'll go into an entry for a legging giveaway. Something fun, something to get it out there. So pretty much that's it. And now let me just take you and give you a sneak peek of ours so that you can kind of see what one that is finished looks like. When I mentioned adding to favorites, this is what I was talking about. So like these are the things that are on my favorites. So let's go here to my business page sometime today. Sorry, this video is a lot longer than I wanted it to be, but oh well. So here's our business page. So I have like just a little image made that says LuLaRoe and it has our name on it. And then it has all of these things. So I published this last night at 8:21 p.m. So I actually was on here yesterday at like 10 a.m. and I scheduled this post for last night. And so this is where you can see like it reached 198 people this week. It tells you how responsive I am to messages. I got 2 likes this week, 413 likes total. Has some of my pictures over here. This was published the day before at 7:15, talking about the sale that's going on in the group. That one reached 131 people, so that was a pretty decent reach. This one reached, I just talked about my outfit the day before. This was the day before, talking about our Memorial Day specials. What else do we have here? Just some other stuff. So you can see, like this day I just posted, it was late, it was 9:40 p.m., but I just said pop-up happening now. This one talks about new inventory coming in. And then people can leave like little reviews over here for you, or ask questions, which is fun. You'll get a notification, of course. But so this is kind of, a just quick little idea of what I'm talking about. So that is all I have for you guys, and I hope that helped understand how to set up a Facebook business page.